Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you are 9 of the greatest cowboys and cowgirls in the world. Your 2025 World Champions. Let them hear from you one more time. What a great night. Congratulations to the rank bull of the round, Pegasus from McCoy Rodeo. You have been a wonderful, wonderful audience. Thank you for staying hooked. Thank you for cheering our Cowboys on. Give yourselves a round of applause. Best fans in the world. Good night, everybody. God bless and happy trail.